I am Alan.
Hello, I am Jeevan. We are pursuing MBA at USDM Coimbatore.
In this documentary video, we are going to speak about the eminent business personality Mr. Ratan Tata, one of the known businessmen in the world. Let's go to the video.
Ratan Tata once said, "Take the stones people throw at you and use them to build a monument." While talking about his early life, he was born on December 28, 1937 in Surat, India, to Naval Tata and Sono Naval Tata. Was the adopted son of Jamshedji Tata, younger son of Ratanji Tata.
Jamshedji Tata was the founder of the Tata Group of the companies. Ratan Tata has a brother Jimmy and a stepbrother Noel Tata.
When he was 10, his parents got separated and thereafter, he and his brother was brought up by his grandmother Navajabai Tata.
While talking about his education, Ratan Tata started his schooling at Champion School and finished up at Cathedral and John Cannon School. After that, he went on to study in Cornell University, where he got a BS degree in Architecture Structural Engineering in 1962.
He then went to Harvard Business School for a degree in Advanced Management program in 1975. He was in the Alpha Sigma Phi fraternity whilst attending college. In his career, in 1971, he was appointed as the director in charge of the National Radio and Electronics Company Limited in order to help its struggling finances. He worked towards building a better consumer electronics division, but the electronic recession and union strikes prevented him from achieving success.
In 1991, J.R.D. Tata appointed him as the new chairman of the Tata Group of companies. This decision came unsupported following objection from other executives of the company.
But he succeeded in improving the financial success of the industries and expanded the growth of the organization under his leadership.
He transformed the management and vision of the division and managed to bring in significantly large dividends. During the 21 years he led the Tata Group, revenues grew over 40 times and profit over 15 times.
He boldly got Tata Tea to acquire Tetley, Tata Motors to acquire Jaguar and Land Rover, and Tata Steel to acquire Coors.
All this turned Tata from a largely India-centric group into a global business with over 65% revenues coming from operation and sales in over 100 countries.
He conceptualized the Tata Nano car. Ratan Tata resigned his executive powers in the Tata Group on 28 December 2012 upon turning 75, appointing as his successor Sirius Mistry.
On 12 January 2017, Natarajan Chandrasekharan was named as the chairman of Tata Sons, a role he assumed in February 2017.
While talking about his achievements, in the year 1998, the Tata Indica, the conglomerate's first passenger car, was launched this year. The car went on to become the number one brand in its segment within 2 years.
In 2000, Tata Tea, now Tata Global Beverage, acquired the Tetley Group, the world's second largest manufacturer, the distribution of tea. Tetley is the largest tea company in the UK. In 2001, Tata AIG, a joint venture between the Tata Group and American International Group, marks the re-entry of the Tata Group into the insurance sector.
In his achievements, in the year 2003, Tata Consultancy Services became the first Indian software company to cross 1 billion revenue. The company went public a year later. In the year 2008, Tata Motors acquires the Jaguar and the Land Rover business from Ford and forms a new company, Jaguar Land Rover.
Ratan Tata received the Padma Bhushan in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan in 2008, the third and second highest civilian honors award by the Government of India.
In his set of honors and awards, in the year 2001, Honorary Doctorate of Business Administration from Ohio State University. In the year 2004, Medal of the Oriental Republic of Uruguay, Government of Uruguay. In the year 2004, Honorary Doctorate of Technology from Asian Institute of Technology. In the year 2005, International Distinguished Achievement Award from Binay Bath International. In the year 2005, Honorary Doctorate of Science from University of Warwick. In the year 2006, Honorary Doctorate of Science from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. In the year 2006, Responsible Capitalism Award for Inspirational and Recognition of Science and Technology. In the year 2007, Honorary Fellowship from the London School of Economics and Political Science. In the year 2007, Carnegie Medal of Philanthropy from Carnegie Endowment for International Peace.
In 2008, Honorary Doctor of Science, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Again 2008, Honorary Citizen Award, Government of Singapore. Again 2008, Honorary Fellowship, the Institution of Engineering and Technology. Again 2008, Inspired Leadership Award, the Performance Theatre.
In the year 2009, Honorary Knight Commander of the Order of the British Empire by Queen Elizabeth II. Again in the year 2009, Lifetime Contribution Award in Engineering for 2008 from Indian National Academy of Engineering. Again in 2009, Grand Officer of the Order of Merit of the Italian Republic from Government of Italy. In the year 2010, Honorary Doctorate of Law from University of Cambridge.
In the year 2010, Business for Peace Award from Business for Peace Foundation. Again 2010, Business Leader of the Year from the Asian Award. In the next year 2012, Honorary Fellow from the Royal Academy of Engineering.
In the year 2013, Foreign Associate, National Academy of Engineering. In the year 2013, Ernst and Young Entrepreneur of the Year, Lifetime Achievement from Ernst and Young. Again in the year 2013, Honorary Doctorate of Business Practice from Carnegie Mellon University. In the year 2014, Honorary Doctorate of Business from Singapore Management University. Again in 2014, Honorary Knight Grand Cross of the Order of the British Empire from Queen Elizabeth II. Again in the year 2014, Honorary Doctorate of Laws from York University, Canada. In the next year 2015, Honorary Doctorate of Automotive Engineering, Clemson University. In the year 2015, Sayaji Ratna Award from Baroda Management Association, Honoris Causa. In the next year 2016, Commander of the Legion of Honor from Government of France. In the year 2018, he got Honorary Doctorate from Swansea University. Tata is a supporter of education, medicine and rural development and considered a leading philanthropist in India. Tata supported University of New South Wales Faculty of Engineering to develop capitative deionization to provide improved water for challenged areas.
Tata Education and Development Trust endowed a 28 million Tata Scholarship Fund that will allow Cornell University to provide financial aid to undergraduate students from India.
On 23rd March 2009, he launched his dream car Tata Nano and it was considered as the world's cheapest car priced Rs 1 lakh. And also he is a trained pilot and on 8 February 2007, he became the first Indian to fly F-16.
We are going to wind up this video by quoting one of his famous thoughts. I don't believe in taking right decision, I take decision and then make them right.